If you're bored of the default Windows 11 look and want to give your desktop a more modern and premium feel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu into a clean, transparent glass-style design. And the best part is, it's completely free and only takes a few minutes to set up. So, give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. First, we're going to download WinHawk. Open the page using the link in the description or the pinned comment, then click on Download. The setup will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the setup file and begin the installation. The installation process is straightforward and only takes a few steps. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and WinHawk will automatically open for the first time. So, this is WinHawk. Go to the Explore tab. Here, you'll see a lot of different options. Before that, go to your personalization settings and choose either a dark or light theme. Also, make sure to set a good background. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download the background images I'm using in this video. Simply download your favorite one and set it as your wallpaper. After that, go back to WinHawk and search for taskbar, height, and icon size. Open it, click Install, and then select Accept and Install. Once it's installed, go to Settings. Here, set the taskbar height 256, the icon size 227, and the button width 245. As soon as you apply these settings, you'll notice that your taskbar has changed in height and size. Next, go back to the Explore tab and open Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Install it the same way as before. Once it's installed, go to Settings and set the theme to Liquid Glass for redesigned Start Menu. Then click Save. Now, if we open the Start menu, you can see the difference. We now have a new cool-looking Start menu that matches the overall design. Next, go back to WinHawk and open Windows 11 Taskbar Styler, then install it. Once it's installed, go to the Advanced section. When you download the files from the link in the description, along with the background images, you'll also find a Taskbar Styler text file. Download and open that file, then press Ctrl+A to select everything and Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, go back to WinHawk, remove the existing text, and paste the text you just copied. Then click Save. Your taskbar will instantly get that classy, modern, and transparent look. And there you go. Your Windows desktop now has a completely new look with a transparent taskbar and a cool glass-style start menu. You can also try different light and dark themes along with different backgrounds to find the combination that looks best for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.